Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that's marketed as a professional 4K Ultra HD camera quadcopter, designed with beginners in mind. This particular model is a generic brand, coming in a sleek black color, and it packs quite a few features for its price point, aiming to make aerial photography and videography accessible. Right off the bat, one of the key selling points is its beginner-friendly nature. This is crucial for anyone just getting into flying drones. It suggests that the controls are intuitive and that it likely has features like altitude hold or one-key return, although those specific details aren't listed here. The fact that it's app-controlled adds to that ease of use, allowing you to manage flights and camera functions directly from your smartphone, which is pretty standard and expected these days for a modern drone. Now, let's talk about the camera. It's advertised with 4K HD video recording capabilities and an effective still resolution of 12 megapixels. However, it's important to note that the listed video capture resolution is 1080p. This is a common point of confusion in the drone market. Often, 4K HD might refer to the sensor's capability or marketing, while the actual recorded video resolution is lower, in this case, 1080p. So, while you get 12MP stills, the video will be full HD, not true 4K. This is something potential buyers should be aware of when looking at the specifications. Moving on to flight performance, it boasts a 20-minute flight time. For a drone in this category, 20 minutes is quite respectable and falls under the long battery life special feature mentioned. This gives you a decent amount of time in the air to capture footage or simply enjoy flying before needing to land and recharge. The remote distance is listed at 122 meters. While not the longest range out there, 122 meters is sufficient for most casual flying and photography within visual line of sight, especially for a beginner-focused drone. A neat feature mentioned is the 360-degree rotation for panoramic views. This suggests it can perform automated spins to capture a full circular view, which is great for creating immersive shots of your surroundings. The FPV operation means you can see what the drone sees in real time, either through the remote or the connected app, enhancing the flying experience and making framing shots easier. Overall, this generic professional 4K Ultra HD camera drone, despite the discrepancy between the advertised 4K and the 1080p video resolution spec, seems to offer a solid package for adults looking to get into drones. Its beginner-friendly features, decent flight time, app control, and the ability to capture 1080p video and 12MP stills make it an interesting option for someone's first camera drone. The 360 rotation and FPV add to the fun and creative possibilities within its 122-meter range. It positions itself as an accessible entry point into aerial imaging.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.